Hey guys, welcome to Tech is Guru. Today we'll be learning how to unrestrict someone on Facebook Messenger, and now let's dive right in. Now to unrestrict someone on Facebook Messenger, first open up your Facebook Messenger app. And after that, guys, in order to unrestrict someone, we will be required to go to the restricted list of our account. To do that, at the top left corner of the screen you can see the three lined icons. Tap on there and this kind of menu will appear to the right, and on this menu at the top right corner of the screen you can see there is a gear or a settings icon. Tap on it, and from over here scroll down until you can find the privacy and safety option. You can see over here just under the preferences category. Tap on privacy and safety, and you can see, guys, under the category of who can reach you, you can see restricted accounts available for us. Tap on that restricted accounts, and over here every restricted account which you had restricted in the past will be available over here. Now to unrestrict a specific person, tap on that profile and you will find the unrestrict button at the bottom of the screen. Tap on unrestrict and that person will be unrestricted from your account. And there, guys, this is how you unrestrict someone on Facebook Messenger. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.